Leisure rides in South Gloucestershire. Route 1, the Three Brooks Nature Reserve Loop. This cycle route is approximately 3 miles and will take around 30 minutes to complete. Therefore, this short leisure ride is suitable for all abilities. You will start at the Bradley Stoke Leisure Centre, heading towards the town centre. Continue along Bradley Stoke Way, which will take you around the north end of Bradley Stoke. The name Bradley Stoke comes from Bradley Brook and Stoke Brook, which flow through the area. Bradley Stoke was built around 3 woodlands: Savage's Wood, Webb's Wood and Sherburn's Brake, which form the Three Brooks Local Nature Reserve. Enjoy the ride through the nature reserve, and why not have a pit stop to try and spot some of the wildlife. On this route you will also pass the Three Brooks Lake and Community Orchard, before completing the loop, making your way back to the leisure centre.